Now I want you to imagine if you could get paid every TikTok video that you watched. All you're going to do is you're going to come over to any TikTok page, copy a video, just right click, copy the link address, paste it on this website over here, and you can get paid money online for watching these simple TikToks. I've made about $114 this week watching TikToks. And you can do this from all of these countries over here, including every single country in the world. So this is a worldwide website. They accept Bitcoin, they accept PayPal, and they accept Skrill as a payment gateway. I want you to comment down below what your preferred payment method is in your country, so I know what kind of videos to make based on your country. And they pay out every single day, so you can get paid every single day to watch TikTok videos. The minimum payout is very small, only $5. As long as you earn $5 in your account, you can get paid. So it doesn't have some ridiculous cap of like $100 that takes months to get. You can make $5 literally in the same day or the same week. And all you need is your mobile phone or your PC. And you can do this no matter what you're doing in your day. Whether you're sitting at the office wasting some time and you just want to use some of your spare time at lunch to make some money using these TikTok videos, or if you're at school, no matter what you're doing, you can use this strategy. So I suggest save this clip here on YouTube to share with people, to show them how they can actually make money online with TikToks. But also quickly, I'm doing a quick giveaway in this video just to help you guys out. I love giving away resources and money giveaways on this channel to help you guys out to get the most results as possible. Over here on the screen, I'm quickly giving away this Make Money Online Fiverr Mastery course on how this person made $24,000 on Fiverr with this interesting Fiverr trick that they've been using for the last year to make $24,000 passively. So if you want this giveaway, just go over to the link in the description. I'll leave a little link that says Fiverr course giveaway. It'll take you to this course and it'll send over all the course and the files to your email address. So make sure you enter the correct email over here, because if you mistype your email, that course won't get sent over. But without further ado, we're going to get straight into this video on how you can make money online watching TikToks. And the first thing that I want you to do is I want you to come over to twitch.tv. That's twitch.tv. Now I know you're probably thinking, why am I on Twitch if I'm talking about making money with TikTok? But it's going to make sense because we're actually going to use some Twitch videos to actually make money with TikTok. It's a very interesting little combination trick that I found to make money using TikTok. What you want to do is you just want to click on the search bar. Make sure to click directly on the search bar. Don't go to browse or esports or music, anything like that. Search the following keyword. You want to search Fortnite because that is a trending video stream or a video content that is happening right now. And all you want to do is click on the Fortnite option over here. You want to click on videos. So you want to find videos, or if you want to, you can use clips. I actually suggest rather use clips because these are much shorter, between 10 and 60-second clips that you can actually use. And all you want to go and do is you want to click on one of these videos. For example, this Fortnite interesting clip here for 15 seconds. You want to copy the link to this Fortnite clip. You just want to pause this. You want to come over to Google and you want to type in Twitch downloader. Just type in Twitch downloader over here. Click on this one over here, keepvid.id, and you want to paste this Twitch link over here. Click on go over here, and over here you can download this Twitch video to your PC or your mobile device. The next thing that you want to do is you want to come over to TikTok and you want to search the following on the search term. You just want to type in Fortnite over here. Type in Fortnite and you want to open up as many of these Fortnite pages as possible. So over here I've got a total of 3 of them. So there's Fortnite sections that has currently made 4.8 million followers just making little Fortnite compilations on TikTok. This page over here is the perfect example. Fortnite Relic, you can actually see they get streams directly off of Twitch and they're getting 11k views, 37k views, 17k views, 73k views, some maybe a little bit lower, some maybe higher, 194k views, some blow up. And all they're doing is they're going to Twitch and posting these simple little streams off of Twitch onto TikTok and building a TikTok page with a link in their bio. Now what they're actually doing is they are getting paid per view. You can get paid to watch it, and they are also getting paid per view on TikTok. All they are doing is they are coming over to Fortnite streams over here on Twitch. So let's say they come over to live channels over here, and for example we can copy this day 21, the longest stream on Twitch. All you want to do is copy the link to this video, right click, copy link address. You want to come over to this website over here. Make sure to keep watching. I'm going to reveal this just in a bit. Right click and now paste your Twitch URL over here. click on go over here, you can see this link over here. Every time somebody clicks on this link, let me actually show you, you will get paid per click that every person clicks on this link. So all they need to do is just verify the captcha. So they just click on I'm not a robot, click here to continue. It will then take them directly through to this Twitch stream. So what I like about this tool over here, now I just got paid for that click. There's no whole bunch of these ads that look scammy or that looks like viruses. It's a much more neatened URL shortener that actually pays you per click. Now all they're doing is they are copying this link, and you want to go and paste this, it was this page over here, in the bio of your TikTok page. So you want to go post tons of these short little clips on TikTok, post this bio in your page to the stream. The day 21, the longest stream on Twitch, and you want to be a little bit clickbaity. You want to type here on your bio, is this the longest stream ever on Twitch for Fortnite? Day 21, click to watch live now. You want to have something like that. Like when people see, wow, this stream has been going on for 20 days, the longest stream in Fortnite, people are going to click on that. They want to see what it's all about. And that's why you want to be a little bit clickbaity. And now every single click that you get on your TikTok page, you are going to make money for. And that's how you can make money watching TikTok videos and building a TikTok account per every view. Now imagine 37k views, so let's actually work this out. If I come back to this page over here, they are paying $5 per 1,000 views. And let's say your video gets 11k views. That's $5 times 11. So that means this TikTok can make $55. 37k views, so let's go 37k times 5. That's now $185 you can make off this TikTok. So you can see how TikToks, all their views can actually change into a lot of money. Now I know like $55 isn't a lot, but if you post every single day and you get views like this video over here with 2k views only made $10. But that's why some go viral. This one with 190k, let's go 190 times 5, could have made close to $1,000 just in TikTok views and TikTok clicks on that Twitch stream. So as you can see, the whole key to this is posting consistently on TikTok and getting the TikTok algorithm to blow up your videos. I mean, I'm sure some video at one point will blow up to about 100k views. I'll actually show you my own TikTok over here. I do TikTok myself, just to show you the power of this platform. So if I search my name, over here is my name. Over here, you can see here's my name over here. You can see I've currently got 121 4k followers on TikTok. Some TikToks blow up to like 6,000, 218,000, 25,000, and I just make these simple little motivation videos on TikTok. I have a link in my bio to my YouTube videos where I grow my YouTube channel. So this is how powerful TikTok is. You can use it to grow and blow up anything and to make money off anything. You can literally make money off massage videos and having a link to a bio with this URL shortener that pays you per click to massage videos on YouTube. And you can literally make money on TikTok off any niche and any theme page. But I quickly wanted to show you some of my students and some people over here. This one guy, Nathan, actually made 15,000 euros using a strategy like this, except what they'll go and do is they will go and drop service shoutouts on Instagram. So they will pay someone, for example, 150 Rand, which is $10, for a shoutout on a page with 500k followers. And now 500k views can be close to $2,000 revenue with this shortened URL app. So all of these people over here are making tons of money, drop servicing services and selling rare high income skills without actually doing the work themselves. So I personally get paid $1,000 to $2,000 a day to make a website for somebody. I will go over to Fiverr, pay them, for example, $90 and keep like $800 in my pocket. And now I've created an entire, what you call a drop servicing university, which includes 57 in-depth videos on how you can get one-on-one mentoring with me, exactly how I build my successful drop servicing stores. I've got about 5 stores that run every single day that generates about $30,000 to $40,000 a month. That's profit. I do have expenses, just paid ads and stuff like that. But the best thing about this university, it teaches you how to drop service completely for free without actually spending money out of your own pocket. All the profit that you make from that, you scale with paid ads, and now you've built a successful 5-figure a month business without actually spending a single dime. So over in the first link in the description, I've got a free training for you guys to this page, a 7-minute free training. It shows you exactly my top stores, what they made, exactly what's inside this university, and how you can actually get a sneak peek. So definitely recommend go over to the first link in the description to grab your free training and to see what this is all about. But without further ado, I'll see you on the other side.